Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's AVer webinar. Today, we are pleased to invite all of you come from Southeast Asia, South Asia, Middle East, and then some of from the CIS and then Africa. It's really pleasure to have you today. And I'm Feng Ho from handling Southeast Asia sales side. And then we have another sales, Albert.
Hello everyone, I'm Albert, in charge of Middle East area, and today glad meet with you.
Hi, I'm Howard, sales Howard in charge of South Asia region. And if you have any question about VC meeting or VC product, please contact me.
Yes, and then today the host. Let me introduce the host today for the training. It's from our technical side, FAE, Howard Zheng. Howard Zheng.
Hi, my name is Howard Zheng. As a technical support from AVer. I'm mainly in charge of Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Africa. If you have any question in the future, you can contact me or email to me. Today, I will bring our new model about CAM550 and the VB342 Pro. Thank you.
All right. Meanwhile, because we have registered over 200 people today, so we divide two different rooms. So some of you are in the Zoom 1, some of you are in the Zoom 2. So okay, we have set up the two rooms to filter out all the people participating today, and then to see the CAM550 and the VB342 Pro. All right. So right now we will let Howard to handle the rest.
For our scenario, you can see we have AVer camera 2. AVer camera 2 is from my laptop, my notebook. This PC connects to CAM550, and we are using the VB342 Pro on our AVer Zoom. You can see an image from AVer Zoom. This is from VB342 Pro. And we have the third camera on the Zoom 2. This is CAM550, CAM520 Pro 2. Okay. Before the webinar, please remember the first one, mute your microphone. And the second, leave your questions and the company name to the chat box. We will answer your question after the meeting, or you can also contact our sales team if you have any questions. Okay, the third, we will have a 5-minute break in the middle of the webinar. The boss, enjoy your time. Thank you. Okay, this is the agenda of this webinar today. We have two parts. The first one is CAM550. Second one is VB342 Pro. Then we will give you the feature introduction and the demonstration, live demo. And the live demo. And the second part is VB342 Pro. Okay.
Really exciting, right?
Okay, CAM550. For CAM550, we have 4K maximum resolution for this model, and then we have dual lens. The first one is main lens, and the second one is the AI lens in the bottom of the camera. Okay, we have 6 premium features for the middle to large room. The first one is dual lens, and we have HDMI output, and we can support 3-way output at the same time. It means USB, IP streaming, and HDMI. And we have gesture control features and smart gallery features. We have dynamic framing. It's like auto framing in the future.
This is the first model with a dual lens camera in the market, right?
Yes.
Okay, with a 4K.
Yes, and this is our AVer USB camera. The first time we have 2 cameras. Okay, And then we have a Sony. Since we have a Sony sensor, so we can support true WDR.
True WDR is really a good features
Yes.
in the market for camera.
Okay, the first one is the main camera. The main camera, we can see total support 24 plus total room. It means we have 12 plus optical room and 2 plus digital room. And we can support wider pen and tier movement. You can see from the side. We can pen from right hand side and then to left hand side, and we can make a wide angle.
Yeah, it's a real PTZ camera.
Yes, so it can support to large room, no problem. And for the second camera, AI lens, so we have maximum 95-degree FOV. So the AI camera can cover all participants in the meeting room. So you can see the image from AVer camera 2. So the AI lens can capture everyone.
Panoramic view of a room, so it's wild, can cover all the meeting rooms participation.
Yeah. So from this slide, we can see the function of the dual lens, because the AI lens can capture everyone, every participant. So the main camera will frame to the suitable image for every participant. You can see this page is for every participant to the suitable image. And if we have a newcomer from outside, so AI camera will detect again, and our main camera will reframe again.
Okay, hold on a second. Because we have just a new coming participant meeting room, enter the room. So this slide is for the CAM550 dual lens camera, PTZ AI camera. So we have AI lens and also the main camera for the PTZ camera. This is a dynamic camera functions. Okay, so for the newcoming join, this page is talking about the CAM550. Okay.
And then please, if you need to install the CAM550, please install the CAM550 at least 1.5 meters above the floor to ensure the AI lens can capture a complete view of the room.
So which means you cannot just sit on the table. You have to the limitation of the height.
Yeah, correctly.
Okay, 150.
Yeah, because if we put the CAM550 on the table, so the AI lens will not work in, because the AI lens just cover the table, not all participants.
So the key point here, the camera is AI lens, need a function. So we need to have the high stable height to put the camera.
You can see from our AVer camera 2 image, the camera is higher, the image is higher. So we install the CAM550 above the floor in 1.5 meters. Thank you. Okay, this is PIP, picture in picture feature. We can support the PIP feature so on USB connection and the HDMI connection, both connection in the end of the Q3. It means maybe October. In the beginning of October, we can support phone update to support the PIP. Okay. And if we have PIP, we can see the AI lens image and the main lens image at the same time at the one display. And we can switch the layout from our PDF or our web page. Okay, I will introduce the PDF and the web page in the future later. Okay, from this page, can give you our CAM550 can support three-way output at the same time. And from the interface, we have HDMI, and then we have a USB-B port, and then we support RS232. So you can daisy chain the camera in a very big, large room. And this camera supports RS232 connection or VSCA over IP command. And then we have PoE plus. So you don't need the power adapter if you have a PoE switch.
That's correct.
And for the gesture control, we have three types of gesture. Okay, if we make our hand like this, 5, and then we have 10 centimeter here. We can enable or disable the AI feature. The AI feature is the auto framing or preset framing, not enable or disable gesture control. It's a key point. And then if you raise our hand like this, so camera will focus on me. And if we put the hand like this, so the camera will run out. No problem. We will demo to you later. And for smart gallery, this is our new feature on our camera. And for this feature, we can crop each participant to the image. We have two options. The first one is headshot. You can see from this one is headshot. And for this one is head body. We have two options. If you need to introduce the participant to far side, you can highlight, you can point the people clearly.
So can we see a demonstration later?
Of course, we will show you later. No problem.
Good.
And then for the headshot mode, we maximum support 20 participants.
Oh, that's a middle to large room.
Yes.
Okay, that's AVer's value.
And this smart gallery feature is some like maybe Run has a smart gallery. Okay, this is dynamic framing. So maybe I will show you later, but the dynamic framing.
So we can see a demonstration for dynamic framing. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
And then this is preset framing, the part of the auto framing. We can set the preset area or preset point together. You can see from one to 4.
It means connected
zone.
zone.
Yeah.
All right.
When one participant walks through from point 1 to point 4, the camera will frame from 1 to 4. Yes, this is preset frame, but we need to save the preset area of point in advance. I will show you how to save the preset area of point later. And then if we have 2 participants in the one image, the feature will become to auto framing.
Oh, that's smart.
This is another type of the preset framing in separate preset area. We can separate preset area in different position. No need to overlap or continue. If the participant main announcer walks through the preset area or point, the camera will maybe follow you through the preset area. Okay.
So how many preset points that we can do?
From our remote control, you can see we have 10 numbers from 0 to 9. So we can support 10 points, preset point. So remote controller.
We can set to 10 points. All right.
If we have RS232 connection, the maximum point is 128.
So you mean with RS323, 232, can up to 128 preset point.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
And since this camera equips the Sony 4K 2 WDR sensor, so we have a 2 WDR feature in this model.
I think the true WDR is really important feature because in some of our regions, the host mainly sit in front of the really light, right? So the WDR really help them to do the environment.
Yes, correctly. If you do a present in front of the projector, maybe the zone is stuck and your project is very high bright. So you can enable the WDR, so it can make your face to look clearly.
All right. Okay.
So we have a page about a CAM550 FAQ. So if you have any question, you can visit this link for more details. And we make some list in this page.
So you mean in each models we have FAQ page?
Yes.
So for the people like sales or technical or when even though for the end user, they can check the FAQ question on this one.
Yeah,
how can I go to this page?
So okay.
Maybe later.
Okay, maybe later I will show you how to visit this page. Okay, because I screenshot the page here. Okay, we will do live demo for our CAM550. The first one is smart gallery, and the second one dynamic framing, and gesture control, preset frame. Okay. Okay, I will share my desktop.
So at this moment, you can see from the room 2 and the room 1, the participate today, you can see the whole room where how we set up the equipment and then for the hardware and the device here. And then maybe for you, when you are going to do the POC or demonstration on your customer side, you can think about how to set up this scenario to your customer. And then it's gonna be helpful for people to image and then also to think about how far, how high, and how to put in the on the table for those devices.
Okay, we are going to that demo for CAM550. Okay, this is our PTZ2 app. So we always suggest to use a Chrome browser to launch the PTZ app. And we can see a CAM550 card here. And then if we need to enable the smart gallery, we can visit this page and click the smart gallery here. Smart gallery. Okay, we can start the smart gallery here, and then we have two options: headshot or head body, and then we can preview.
So this is logging from the website.
No, this is from USB connection.
Okay. USB.
If you need a USB, so
So whenever you use the AVer camera, you have to download the PTZ app too for the software. This is the most have do the first. So on the PTZ app software, you can do the setting, and then also for the cameras, and then also for the hardware's firmware upgrade. Okay, and then even though for this one, you also can do the troubleshooting from the PTZ camera, PTZ app too. So this software, please suggest your clients and end user to download. That will be helpful tools, and then of course this is for free though, software.
Okay, I will show you the content again. Hold on, my PC is recognizing the 550.
And then whenever you do the demonstration to your customer, sometimes the camera will be freezing or something. Please just plug and play again. That will be no problem for that. Okay.
So in the smart gallery, we can start here. So you have two options. We can preview this head body. So from the connection, you can see my preview, and then we can close the window. Okay, and go back to my Zoom. I will select USB cable. So you can see phone and me become head body from my image. You can check the AVer camera too. So we have two head body here.
So whenever a new participant is joining, then the camera will soon automatically catch a new joining person. Okay, so this is really I would say smart functions for the smart gallery. So when Howard sales Howard join, then the half body, because why we have the other one, because that will human detection. So if Alpha you can yeah. 没有，要高起来挡住那个。So this is really sensitive for camera, AI camera. So in the on the display, the TV display, you can see we have another friends on the screen. So the camera can also detect his face. So that means the camera also recognize he is a human, of course. Okay, so we have 5 people in this screen. All right.
Okay, I will change to headshot. So hold on. And then go back to our PPT here. We are going to share the content for you. Okay, we will change it to a headshot and the preview. So we have headshot right now. So we can close the window. Okay, you can see the image from AVer camera 2. So we have headshot image right now for smart gallery. Okay. So
this is a headshot. Okay, so we have all friends still there. Okay, with us. Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is a headshot.
Yeah, headshot mode.
So are we having other camera also with the smart gallery for the CAM550 Pro, VC520 Pro too?
For VB3, we have we have another camera, VB342 Pro equipped. smart gallery also.
Okay, all right.
Okay, I will show you the gesture control on CAM550. Okay. We go back to PTGF2. So we will launch the PTGF2. I will share the screen for you. So we can start the smart gallery. And
On the USB device.
yes, to use device. And you can go to the setting. You can enable the gesture control here. And before we enable the gesture control, we can disable all tracking mode from here. Okay, the gesture control is on. So maybe phone is raising his hand.
你要先保护它，你要再讲。你要它确定是没有这个标准。先等一下，不要转。没人情况下，你可以转电脑，直接转这个，但你这样转过去，让他们看得到。So this gesture control function is created because of after COVID, and then our RD team think about how to protect all the participants in the meeting room, be safe. Okay, do not touch too many remote control or any device. So use just your hand body gesture to manage your camera to automatically to track you. So whenever you have question, whenever you want the camera focus on you, you just raise your hand, and then the AI sensor will automatically recognize. Okay, so I'm the speaker, I want to speak. And then also if I put the hand beside my ear, then the camera will zoom out. All right, this is a new function for our RD teams, gesture control, and then also it's adapted in the AI camera, which is in CAM550 and also VB342 Pro. Okay.
Yes. Gesture control, so you can see the image from our website. So you can see the gesture control features. So we will do the dynamic framing for the next demo. So we go back to setting.
So no matter the framing and also the gesture control, and then which can be adjusted from the speed. Okay.
Yes, I disable gesture control first. And I will enable the auto framing from the PTGF2. So auto framing is on. So auto framing is on. So when the AI lens detect our 3 people in the meeting room, so the maintenance will focus on us. Maybe I will have phone and Howard leave the meeting room first.
Okay, I will come back soon. I will come back soon. Okay.
You can see the camera reframe on me, only on me. Okay, I will have phone and Howard join again.
Hi.
We are back.
So you can see the main camera focus on us again correctly and the best. It's dynamic framing.
The first dual link camera for the video conference product. And then it's PDZ camera with AI sensor. Sony sensors, okay, with true WDR. Okay, capture your eyes.
Okay, we were going to show you the preset framing. Okay, this is PDF2. I will show you how to save the preset point first. Okay, you can go to this page, PD control. And then if we need to save the preset point, so we can choose the step. And go to the right position. Use the button, pen and tail, zoom in and zoom out. We can choose the number, and then we can save. We can choose yes. And the preset area, preset point is saved. Okay. Before the preset framing, I will show you the preset area. First one here, and the preset 2 here, and preset 3 here. Also, we can use the remote control from this button camera to check the preset area. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will have phone to demo the preset framing to me. Okay, I will enable preset framing.
So I'm right now in the preset 1, okay, from the CAM550. And then we do the preset here. So this is the whiteboard. You can see if I'm a teacher, and then you can set up the preset. As we say, the preset zone can be the continue or separate. So I'm right now looking to the preset 2. Then camera will automatically come to me to this AVer the preset second area. And then also I'm going to go to the preset 3, and then also the camera will automatically focus on me, and then the area that's we just preset. Okay, so right now I'm in the preset 3. So I'm going back to the preset 1 and see the camera will just follow me automatically. So here I'm come back to preset 1. All right, this is a preset framing.
Okay. All right, this is next demo of the CAM550. Okay, I will show you the content again. Okay, we are going to take a 5 minutes time break. Okay, but now it's
Now it's 3:11 in here. 5 minutes. Let's come back here today. All right.
thank you.
5 minutes. Okay. Let's see you guys in 5 minutes.
So for Zoom 2, we use the CAM550 Pro 2 camera, and then we use the VB342 speakerphone to the audio device on Zoom 2. Yes, answer the question first. And then here we go. We go to the next second part, VB342 Pro. Okay. VB342 Pro equips 4K camera. It combines audio and video. And then we have built-in microphone and the speaker in the video soundbar. This model can use or apply to small to middle rooms. And then we have Zoom certificate already. This is innovative features for the video bar, VB342 Pro. And the first one is all-in-one PD technology, and the efficient and safe meetings. The third, we have audio phase, and we have exceptional audio quality. And we have the true WDR, it means enterprise grade image. And for this camera, it's a real PTZ camera. You can see we have a camera. We can make wide angle or wide pan and tilt movement. And then we have the 3+ optical room and the 5+ digital room. So total we have 15 total room. And then we have 92-degree FOV.
And I believe in the market, AVer is the first one have an all-in-one sound bar or video bar come with an optical PDD camera. Okay, so this is really PDD camera.
And then we have two 6-watt speaker here and then here. And the speakers provide large and outstanding sound for small and middle-sized rooms. And this is I/O port for the VB342 Pro. And we have expansion audio port here. And we have RS232 connection here for number 2. And then we have phone in and speaker out port here. And USB 2, Type A USB, and the HDMI port. Number 7 is USB 3, Type B, device to PC. Number 8 is LAN port. The VB342 Pro can support IP access also. Then we have a digijack. And our VB342 Pro also have the auto framing, but there is no dynamic framing for this model. This model only has auto framing, like the CAM550. Okay, the VB342 Pro has many audio features. So I will show you the audio feature in the later. Okay. For our audio checking, maybe. This is presentation checking. I will show you later. We can save the present area first in advance, but this feature is triggered by audio. If the participant or main speaker in the preset area and the speaking, so the camera will follow the main speaker. Okay, this is Smart Gallery. It is the same feature as the CAM550. And the VB342 also equips gesture control. This is same
as the CAM550.
Yeah, same gesture. And then we have audio phase to VB342 Pro as we know, we always work from home or study from home. If we work from home, we have some noise around us. Maybe the noise is from our children or our environment or background. So audio fans can protect your meeting.
Yeah, this is an upgrade function of from the VB342. If you are familiar with VB342, the audio fans can block or like avoid any noise from your meeting room. Even though like as Howard mentioned, if you are working from home, then maybe your kids is crying, your dog is barking, and then those when you turn on this function audio fence, then those noise will be blocked outside of the fence.
Or your colleague have the keyboard near you, so the keyboard noise will be erased. I will show you the audio fence later. Okay. This is from this page tells the beamforming technology on VB342 Pro. We have 10 microphone array. 10 microphone array here. 10 microphone. So 10 microphone can pick up and reproduce voice from up to 7 to 8 meters away. So beamforming technology can recognize the direction and position.
And also I need to add one more point is beamforming system and then beamforming technology is getting important and then also significant for the tender. Some of the tenders requires the beamforming system or beamforming technology will be the one of the required spec. So beamforming system in our VB342, okay, it comes with 10, as Howard said, 10 microphone built-in, okay, and 10 microphone built-in, so they can pick up the wide range. If you are in the middle to large room, the microphone can pick up that, and then this affected the beamforming technology to receive the human voice by our microphone, right?
Yes, this is the true DR on VB342 Pro. Then VB342 Pro also equipped the true DR 24K sensor. And then this is display link on VB342 Pro. We only need one USB cable and the HDMI cable connect to our VB342 Pro. And so we can have the big monitor or display.
So you mean it's just use one cable can connect to the camera?
Yes, we don't need the HDMI cable to the PC. So we only through the VB342 Pro, and then we only use one USB cable to our PC. So we can get the source from HDMI to TV.
Okay, that's really good for the some end user. They don't want to have because of our feedback from the market, and they don't really like too many cables on the table.
Yes.
So one cable is good.
Yes, because we have a USB Type A on our VB342 Pro. So if you have LP always equipped the USB Type touch back port. So you can connect back to our VB342 Pro. So if you touch the LP, so launch the file on LP. At the same time, your PC will launch the file. It's very convenient.
Total solution.
Yeah. Okay, this is expansion solution for VB342 Pro. So it means it can support to middle room, but the AI feature is not available on expansion speaker and the speakerphone.
So the main resource for the recognize the voice to do the audio tracking is still from the built-in microphone. All right.
Yes. And if we connect to expansion speakerphone, so the speakerphone is sync. So if you mute or mute, if we unmute or unmute, we cannot mute or unmute individually. Okay.
And then 10 meters and 200 meters option for the cable as well.
Okay, we will do the live demo about VB342 Pro. The first one is audio checking. So I will start the content first. You can see the image from the AVer Zoom. Okay, repeat again. You can check the image from AVer Zoom. This image is using VB342 Pro. I will enable the audio checking feature. So you can see a subtitle audio checking on the monitor, on the display. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm Howard. I'm trying the audio checking on VB342 Pro. Maybe I will have AVer to say something.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Since it is PTZ camera, so the camera will frame him or frame the main speaker first and then focus. So maybe I will have Howard Zhen to speak something.
Hi, this is Howard Zhen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the speed is very fast and idealized. And this is audio checking.
So hello, this is Fong speaking. I'm standing in the back of a room right now. So even though this distance is like 5 meters away, still the VB342 Pro still can pick up my voice and then also zoom into me. So if Albert can say something and the camera can see that.
Hello. This is Albert speaking. And yeah, the camera catch me very soon.
And then we can set up the speed of the framing and the tracking on the PTZ app too. So this is really important things that again remind your client and user to download the PTZ app too first. For the software, it's free, and then so you can adjust the speed of that. Okay.
For this feature, audio tracking, the most important thing is to let the built-in microphone recognize the direction and the position. If the camera cannot recognize your voice, so the camera will not frame you. Okay, this is audio tracking feature. 就是另外一个看我打开 camera，
可以把它关掉，因为这样我们这边显示的比较小。
Okay, the second feature is audio tracking. Audio phase. Audio phase. I will enable audio phase on the remote control. We can enable the audio phase on remote control, so the button. Right now is audio checking and long press. Presentation mode. And the audio phase is on. Okay, I will have Fong to say something.
Okay, I'm right now in front of a speakerphone, so you probably still can hear my voice. If I'm going out of the area, I'm right now talking something that's if you can hear, and then I'm not sure you can hear or not. But I'm right now standing behind the VB342 Pro soundbar, and if you can see, the other camera can see I'm still I'm talking, so you can zoom into me. So I'm right now standing behind the camera. So 我来怎样调了解？
有啊，这样。For now, maybe you can listen the voice from phone. You can off the program. Off. I disable the audio base right now.
Okay, so I'm still standing the same point, and then right now because it's off for the audio fans, so you suppose can hear my voice right now. And then if you cannot hear my voice, which means the coverage of the voice, the speaker microphone is bad. Okay. Yeah.
就要这台子就不知道怎么使用有本事，
没有办法。
那要解释用。
So for Zoom 2 scenario, since we are using the phone 540 speakerphone, this unit doesn't support audio fans. Audio fans only available on VB342 Pro and the VB130, those two models. Yeah.
So the audio phase we just did suppose is for the Zoom 1 participate. So Zoom 1 participate, if we were doing a demonstration for the audio phase, you can still hear my voice, please let us know. We will try to do the demonstration again. And then for the Zoom 2, you suppose can hear my voice because we are using the phone 540 for that, for the audio. Okay, so it's different. Zoom 1 and Zoom 2. Okay.
The next demo is Okay, we are doing the presentation mode on VB342 to VB342 Pro, and we can save the preset area, preset point in advance before the meeting. So if we are talking during the preset area, so the VB342. So.
它会从这边移动。
移动。So I will disable it first, and then we go back to preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. Okay, we check the preset area first. This is preset 1. This is preset 2. No, sorry. Okay. Preset 1 is preset 1. This is preset 2. This is preset 3. Okay. Maybe I will enable the presentation mode first. Okay. Presentation mode. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is preset point 1. I'm Howard. I'm speaking. So maybe I will have Howard Zheng speak science.
This is Howard Zheng. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, this is Howard Zheng.
Okay, I will have Albert to speak.
This is Albert speaking. This is Albert speaking.
Yeah, since this is preset area 2, so this feature will follow the preset point, not the main speaker. Okay, it is based on the preset point. So if we set the specific position, so we can save the preset area in this specific position first. So we can discuss in the meeting, during the meeting. So the camera will focus on the preset point only. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is preset point 2. Okay. Over is preset point 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3。
这样，这是在 preset point 之间去追的。所以可能就是preset。请问，我觉得是跟这段什么？要先略开始。所长，有。
So in the VB342 Pro, as we have built in the audio tracking. So this is from the audio technology. And then for the presentation mode is from the audio plus the human speaker. So these two functions are similar, but the big difference is the presentation will be hold the speaker, and then the speaker will go around if you are going to around the stage. And then presentation, do your presentation. And this is work for the presentation mode. Okay, hope this is clear for you between the audio tracking and then also for the presentation mode. So this is how the difference between audio tracking and then presentation mode. Okay, and also preset frame framing. So all the features are similar, but all the technology is different. Some of are adapted by the audio, some of by the video. So that's why we create the video conference. So both audio and the video are important equally. Okay, so in this all-in-one soundbar, and an all-in-one soundbar from the sales point of view, it's really going to be high inquiry for the market. Okay, and then also VB342 Pro right now, as I said, it's the first model in the market with another similar competitors. We are the only one can do the optical PTZ camera on soundbar. Okay, so this is the one benefit for that. Okay, so AVer has invested a lot of AI technology because of we have RD team over 200 people, and then we have software team over 50 people, and we have firmware team. It's all around 100 people, and then hardware device team from the design, from the all the hardware technology, and then so AVer is actually is 100% brand OBM business. So from design, from the firmware, from the sales, from the technology. So this is really important from different from the other competitors, not like a supplier or assembling by other suppliers. Okay, so in AVer, all the models are made in here, made in Taiwan by our people. Okay, so this is today's AI camera, and then Howard here, we're going to share some more information for you.
So I will show you the certificate about the Zoom and the Teams. For now, we have a Zoom certificate, and for Teams and Skype for Business, Skype for Business certificate, we will get a certificate in November
This year.
Yes, this year. And we have a question from customer. That's a VB342 Pro support RTMP, RTSP, and USB at the same time. No, the answer is no. Okay, the RTMP, RTSP, and the USB 3 at the same time model support this CAM550 Pro 1 and 2, VC520 Pro 1 and 2 series, and the CAM550. So for the VB130 or VB342 Pro, the RTMP, RTSP, and the USB 3 cannot work at the same time.
You are welcome to screenshot this page. It's really key information.
Okay, I will show you the FAQ area. Hold on, I will show. Okay, here we go. So we can go to the support. We can go to the support here. And then we go to the VC video conference. We have a lot of model here. So we can click 550, we go to CAM550. CAM550 here, and the VB342 Pro here. This is the FAQ page. So you can check the basic check. For setting. We continue to add the question or answer in this page. This one is three-way output at the same time.
Because a lot of people will ask, since you have a 3-port on CAM550, can these 3 ports work at the same time? The answer is yes. These 3 ports can work at the same time. So for the HDMI, RTMP, and also the USB, so CAM550 can work at the same time for these 3 ports.
Yes, you can find the answer from this page, or you can contact me directly. Yes, this is FAQ. Okay.
So this is basically for today's our AI camera, CAM550, and then also VB342 Pro. We are really appreciate people from Southeast Asia, and then also from South Asia, Middle East, Africa, and then the regions in CIS countries. So if you have any questions, please, you can right now leave in the box. And then also later on, we will share the link for today's webinar to you, and then you can go check and then review all the webinars concepts today. So also you can contact with our sales and then also our technical FAE team for today's questions. Okay, so right now these two models we just launched in the middle of this year, and then for the selling CAM550, and then also for the VB342 Pro, the selling point, if you have knowledge and then also any feedback you want to share, once right now you sell, you can also write down in the chat box. Okay, to share us, because we have received a lot of really good benefits and the value about our VB342 Pro. So, it could be ideal for you to use in your country, your region, and your channels. All right. So this is basically for today's product training for the AI cameras. So. Later on, once we have any new coming models, we will arrange the webinar like right now and like today. And then thank you for the Zoom 1 and Zoom 2. Today we have almost 180 people and then all like participants to join today's webinar. So thank you very much and thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.